Hey, it's Coach Allie here at the Circus Arts Conservatory. Welcome to part 2 of my intro to hula hoop class. We're going to start off with one of my favorite tricks called Escalator. Before you do that, we're going to break it down into 2 parts. The first part, you're going to bring your foot to your knee like a flamingo, and then you're going to bring it up above your head and out to the side. Go ahead and do that again. One more time, foot to knee, bring it up above your head. Make sure this arm stays out of the way. All right, the second part, you're just going to throw the hula hoop at your belly button and let go. All right, do that one more time. Throw the hula hoop and let go. All right, we're gonna combine those 2 parts and we will get Escalator. So remember, foot to knee, throw it at your belly button, and then reach up above your head with the hand that lets go of the hoop. Go ahead and do that a couple times. All right, the next trick we're going to do is called Helicopter. You're going to have your palms facing the ceiling and the hula hoop in front of you. You're going to let go of one hand and you're going to rotate the hula hoop behind your back. You're going to reach behind your back, grab the hoop, and rotate it again to the front so that you have your palms facing up towards the ceiling. When you do it faster, it looks like this. Good, and you can do it without the spinning. And you can lift one leg up, other leg. You can do it opposite. The next trick you're going to learn is another behind the back pass. And if you remember from part 1, hand hooping, we're going to add on to that. And you're going to turn away from the hula hoop and you're going to grab it, reach behind your back, switch hands, let go of that first hand and release the hoop. Let's try that again. Give yourself a high five, switch, and turn away from the hoop, reach behind your back, switch. And again. The first hula hoop trick I ever learned was to lift the hula hoop up from my waist to above my head. So that's the next trick we're going to do. Go ahead and figure out which way you spin the hula hoop. I spin mine to the left, so I'm going to pick up the hula hoop with my left hand reaching across my body and the palm of my hand facing up towards the ceiling. And from here we can bring it back down to our waist. Another way you can do this trick is I'm still going to turn my hula hoop to the left, but I'm going to use my right hand and reach behind my back, just like this, and lift it up. All right, the next trick we're going to learn is called foot hooping. We're going to do this trick laying down on the ground, and you're going to want to rotate your foot in small circles, and you want to keep the hula hoop controlled in the arch of your foot. When you start the hula hoop, you want your hands as wide as possible, and you're going to give it a nice push. If you're not able to lay down on the floor and try foot hooping, another way you can do foot hooping is by standing up. You'll want something to help you get your balance, and you're going to start the hoop on your hand, just like hand hooping, and then you're going to stick your foot right next to your hand, and you're going to release your hand. You want the arch of your foot to go on the hula hoop. I hope you enjoyed my beginner's hula hoop tutorials. Stay tuned for more advanced classes coming soon on CACConnects. And remember, keep calm and circus on.